Are you searching for the best blenders? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 blenders that I tested this year. Number 5. Ninja HB150C/HB150 2-Footy Heat IQ Blender. Some high-powered blenders can make soup by warming the contents with friction from their high-speed blades. This one goes even further with a built-in heating element that can cook food before, during, or after blending. The Ninja Footy Heat IQ has a 1,400-watt blending motor and an 800-watt heat source for precise control. It has many preset programs that let you put in raw ingredients, press a button, and come back later to a ready-to-eat soup. Without the heat, this blender is very powerful. It has a large jar for smoothies, cocktails, sauces, and more. The heating element is part of the pitcher, so you can't put it under running water in the sink. However, the blade and inside parts have a non-stick coating, and there's a self-clean function that uses water, dish soap, and the included brush. It also comes with a tamper. Capacity: 64 ounces. Power: 1,400 watts. Speed settings: 3. Cooking programs: 12. Dimensions: 8.8 by 7.9 by 17.9 inches. What we like: inexpensive. Cooks and blends. Many preset programs. What we don't like: difficult to clean. Number 4. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. This sleek blender claims to blend even the toughest ingredients, from kale to almonds, and it passed our test perfectly. Our smoothie had no taste of kale. It crushed ice into a snow-like consistency, and it blended chia seeds smoothly. It has easy-to-use presets for crushing ice, making smoothies, and icy drinks. You can add a little soap and water to the self-clean cycle to make sure no food bits are left behind. In our tests, we found the start button a bit small and sometimes needed to press it several times to start. We love its sleek design and the variety of fun colors available. While this blender is cheaper than similar high-powered blenders, KitchenAid also offers a smaller and lower-cost model that performed well in our tests. The K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender lets you easily make soup or a smoothie in one batch, even though its pitcher holds 6 cups. Blender type: full-sized blender. Weight: 12 pounds. Sizes: 9 by 8 by 16 inches. Jar material: plastic. Jar capacity: 56 ounces. Controls: beat, variable speed, presets for ice crush, frozen drink, and smoothie. Accessories: tamper and 16-ounce cup with lid. Pros: self-clean cycle. Sleek design and many colors to choose from. Easy-to-use presets. Cons: start button is small. Number 3. Breville The Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender worked for its great price. The green smoothie setting made a smooth and creamy drink with no bits of kale or spinach. The regular smoothie button gave us a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender made soup silky smooth and produced a great margarita. The New and Angry is simple to clean, and the bump and cover can go in the dishwasher. We found exceptionally few blemishes, though the 50-ounce Jolt did get a bit recolored from tomato sauce. Another great blender from Breville we tested is the Breville 3X Blitzer Pro. It made creamy, smooth soup and a strawberry green smoothie with no kale bits. This model is pricier but can also juice, so it's like having 2 appliances in one. If you lean toward a hand blender, we suggest the Breville Control Grasp Drenching Blender. It was the best in our immersion blender tests, with a non-stick blender arm and perfect for making mayo. Blender type: full-sized blender. Weight: 9 pounds. Dimensions: 7 by 8.5 by 17 inches. Jar material: plastic. Jar capacity: 50 ounces. Controls: 5 speed settings, presets for green smoothie, and ice crush. Accessories: inner measuring lid. Pros: green smoothie setting. Jar and lid are dishwasher safe. Great smoothie results in testing. Cons. 50-ounce capacity. Number 2. NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo. This affordable and powerful blender comes with 3 jars, making it very versatile and the best value pick. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids for easy take-to-go smoothies. It has an extract button that blends smoothies at different speeds automatically. We made kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and they were all smooth with no bits. It also blended frozen strawberries perfectly for a delicious daiquiri. The base is about the same size as other NutriBullet models and has suction cups on the bottom to keep it from moving around. The blades attach to the personal cups, which you then turn advantage down to blend. Be careful to remove the cups from the base, not from the blades, to avoid tumbles. Blender type: full-sized blender. Weight: 10 pounds. Sizes: 8 by 8 by 17 inches. Jar material: plastic. Jar capacity: 64 ounces. Controls: extract, low, medium, high pulse. Fixtures: 32-ounce cup, 24-ounce cup, 2 to-go lids. Pros: easy-to-read control panel with large buttons. Makes kale charmers without any bits. Personal-sized cups with lids for easy portability. Cons: be careful when removing cups to avoid spills. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This Vitamix blender recently won a Kitchen Gear Award and was the best out of 8 Vitamix blenders and 25 other blender models we tested. It has great features like a touch interface, 5 program settings, a timer, variable speed, and pulse. It works with Vitamix's self-detect containers, which adjust blend settings based on the container size. These containers include personal sizes, a food processor attachment, a stainless steel container, and new 48-ounce color containers. In our tests, this blender made the best kale and strawberry smoothie with no bits left behind. Milkshakes were creamy and frothy, peanut butter was silky smooth, and margaritas were restaurant quality. It handled tough ingredients very well. The blender is loud when blending tough ingredients, and the self-cleaning function didn't fully clean sticky nut butter. However, its performance is unmatched, and it comes with a 10-year warranty for extra peace of mind. If a $600 plus blender is too expensive, we also recommend the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender for around $350. It made margaritas and peanut margarine just as well as the more expensive model. Blender type: full-sized blender. Weight: 14.9 pounds. Sizes: 11 by 8 by 17 inches. Jar material: plastic. Jar capacity: 64 ounces. Controls: variable speed, pulse, timer, presets for smoothies, soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. Accessories: tamper and recipe book. Pros: superior performance. Self-detect technology. Sets with Vitamix app. Cons: very loud when blending tough elements.